हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू लर्निंग हब। आज हम देखेंगे इनवर्स लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म का एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सम जो कि Dbatu 2023 एग्जाम्स में पूछा गया था। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फाइंड इनवर्स लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ cot इनवर्स ऑफ s plus 3/2। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट f bar of s is equal to cot inverse of s plus 3 divided by 2. Now we will find the derivative of this f bar of s. So d by ds of f bar of s is equal to, we can write it as d by ds of, what is the value of f bar of s? That is cot inverse of s plus 3 by 2. Okay. Now we should know one formula, that is, we know what is the derivative of cot inverse of x? That is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay. So comparing this x with s plus 3 by 2, and we will apply this formula. So we will get that derivative of cot inverse of s plus 3 by 2 is minus of 1 upon 1 plus the value of x over here is s plus 3 by 2. S plus 3 by 2 bracket square, and again finding the derivative of this term, that is s plus 3 by 2. Okay. So now we can write it as s plus 3 by 2 bracket square. We'll take this 1 by 2 outside and derivative of s plus 3. Okay. Again we will write this same as it is, 1 plus s plus 3 by 2 bracket square 1 by 2. Derivative of s with respect to s is 1, and the derivative of this constant term will be 0. So this will be left as 1 plus s plus 3 by 2 bracket square. Here it will left, that is 1 by 2. Okay. Now further minus 1 upon 1 plus, we'll separate out this square and we will write it as s plus 3 bracket square upon 2 square is 4 into 1 by 2 as it is. Then again here minus 1 upon, we will cross multiply over here, we will get 4 plus s plus 3 bracket square upon 4 into this 1 by 2. Now this 4 will go onto the numerator place. So it will be written as minus 4 upon 4 plus s plus 3 bracket square into 1 by 2. Now this will be 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay. So we can write it as minus 2 upon 4 plus s plus 3 bracket square. Now the further step, we can write this as minus 2 upon, we will just interchange it, s plus 3 bracket square plus 2 square. Okay. Now we are having one property, that is by method of differentiation of f bar of s, that is inverse Laplace of d by ds f bar of s is equal to minus t into f of t. So here what we have found is derivative of f bar of s with respect to s. What is the value we got is minus 2 upon s plus 3 bracket square plus 2 square. Okay. Is equal to minus t f of t. Now there is one more formula. We know inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s plus a square plus b square is equal to e raised to minus at 1 upon b sin bt. Okay. Applying this formula to this above term, we will get that first of all we will remove this minus 2 common out. We will get minus 2 inverse Laplace of 1 upon s plus 3 bracket square plus 2 square is equal to minus t f of t. That's it. Now we will compare this with this formula. We will get the value minus 2 inverse Laplace of 1 upon s plus 3 bracket square plus 2 square is e raised to minus at. What is the value of a over here? That is 3. Comparing with this formula, that is 3t minus 3t 1 upon what is the value of b? Here it is 2. Compare with this formula. This is 2 and sine 2t. It is here b, so sine 2t because the value of b is 2. Now cancel out this 2 with this 2. Here is equal to minus t f of t as it is. Okay. So now we will get e raised to minus 3t sine 2t is equal to minus t f of t. Here also this minus is left. So this minus will be cancelled out with this minus. Now we will get the final value of f of t. That is, this t will be transferred in the denominator place. Okay, so we will get e raised to minus 3t sine 2t upon t. Now we will move towards next sum. Find the inverse Laplace transform of log of 1 plus 1 upon s square. ये सम Dbatu 2024 एग्जामिनेशंस में पूछा गया था. So let's start. So let f bar of s is equal to log of 1 plus 1 upon s square. We can write this as log of, we can cross multiply it, we'll get s square plus 1 upon s square. Okay, so we know the property of log, that is log of a upon b is equal to log a minus log b. We will apply this property towards the above term. We will get is equal to log of, what is the a over here? First term, s square plus 1 minus log b means second term, the term at the denominator, that is s square. So now we'll take the derivative of these terms, that is d by ds of f bar of s is equal to, we can write it as d by ds of, what is f bar of s? Here we got this, that is log of s square plus 1 minus log of s square. Okay. Now what is the derivative of log of s square plus 1? That is, first of all I'll give you the derivative of log x is equal to 1 upon x. So comparing this with the above term, we'll get the derivative of log s square plus 1, that is 1 upon s square plus 1, and again removing the derivative of this term at the denominator, that is d by ds of s square plus 1 minus log of s square is again 1 upon s square, and again removing the derivative of this term s square. Okay. Now further solving, we will get 1 upon s square plus 1. Derivative of s square plus 1 with respect to s is 2s. 2s and 1 becomes 0. Minus 1 upon s square, and this here we will write as derivative of s square is 2s. Okay. Here s gets cancelled with this 1 s. We will get here 2s upon s square plus 1 minus 2 upon this single s. Okay. Now we will apply the property, that is by method of differentiation of f bar of s. By method of differentiation of f bar of s. What is this property? That is inverse Laplace of d by ds of f bar of s is equal to minus t f of t. So here inverse Laplace of, what is our d by ds of f bar of s? That is 2s upon s square plus 1 minus 2 by s is equal to minus t f of t. Now we can take this inverse Laplace inside and solve. First term, inverse Laplace of 2s upon s square plus 1 minus inverse Laplace of s 2 by s is equal to minus t f of t. In the next part, we will take this 2 outside. We'll get 2 inverse Laplace of s upon s square plus 1 minus this 2 will also come outside, that is 2 into inverse Laplace of 1 by s is equal to minus t f of t. Now we know one formula, that is inverse Laplace of s upon s square plus a square is cos at. Okay, and inverse Laplace of 1 upon s is 1. So we will get here, this 2 will remain as it is. Inverse Laplace of s upon s square plus 1 is, comparing with this formula, we get cos t, because the value of a is 1 over here, minus this 2 will remain as it is. Inverse Laplace of 1 by s is 1 is equal to minus t f of t. Okay, next step, this 2 will come common. We will get cos t minus 1 is equal to minus t f of t. Now we will make here some adjustment, that we will take this minus out. We will get minus 2. This minus 1 will become plus 1 and plus cos t will become minus cos t is equal to minus t f of t. Why we have made this adjustment? To cancel out these two minus signs. Okay, so now we will get 2 in bracket 1 minus cos t is equal to t f of t. Finally, we get f of t is equal to 2 in bracket 1 minus cos t, and add the denominator this t. Okay, thank you.